Hey guys, in this video, I will show you best Shopify apps for clothing store. So I will be showing you at least three best application here on Shopify for clothing store. But first and foremost, in order for you to find, you just have to go to Shopify App Store and then here you have to go to the search icon and look for this application. So first we have here is this TrueFit. So you just have to type TRUEFIT, AI size and fit recommendations. Okay, so you have to click this one right here. And then you will see here all information. So basically, this one, TrueFit helps online fashion retailers reduce returns and improve customer satisfaction by offering AI-powered size recommendations. If you want to see the pricing, you have to scroll down here and also reviews. Rating is high and it has a lot of positive comments. And for drawbacks, some versions say it's best suited for larger stores with many apparel. So this one is a good application for you if you want to start your Shopify store. Now, next we have here is this what we call app card. So this is what it looks like. Now, App Cart replaces the default Shopify cart page with a modern, customizable slide and cart drawer. You can scroll down here to see the pricing and also reviews. As you can see, it also has a high rating right here and a lot of positive comments. But the drawback says some users wanted more design flexibility and may require theme adjustments to perfectly match branding. So tap install if you like this one. Now the third and last is this what we call Omnisend. So you have to simply type OMNISEND, email, SMS, and automation. So this one is an email and SMS marketing platform built specifically for e-commerce, and it offers powerful automation tools, customizable templates, and data-driven targeting. You can scroll down here to see pricing, and it also has high rating and positive comments. However, for drawbacks, occasional feedback about confusion when downgrading plans. So why choose this three application? So basically, as a final verdict, it's good if you choose TrueFit if you want to boost customer confidence, and AppCart if you want to increase average order value or improves checkout experience. Omnisend if you want to drives repeat purchases and loyalty and also recovers abandoned carts. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.